Ah, the infamous driver's license. What does it mean to have a license to drive? To most drivers, regardless of their age, it means freedom to come and go when and where they please. It means more choices and more opportunities. But along with these benefits comes a lot of responsibility. Primarily the responsibility to drive safely every time you're in the highway transportation system. North America has the largest and safest highway transportation system in the world, with more freeways, traffic lights, cars, drivers, more everything than anywhere else. Although it may seem complicated, there are actually only three components to the highway transportation system: roadways, vehicles, and drivers. First is the system of over 4 million miles of roadways. These roadways have been engineered to help traffic move efficiently and safely over every mile, with control devices where roads cross or join together. The roadway system features all types of roads, on which people drive in all types of conditions. The second component is the collection of vehicles that operate on U.S. roadways. All kinds of vehicles operate on the roads. They operate at different speeds and are in different conditions, from brand new to vehicles that need a little attention. These differences can make for a complex driving environment. To survive it, we must know what other drivers might do, and we need to be aware of our own vehicle's limitations and how to adjust to them. The third element of the highway transportation system is the driver. Unfortunately, drivers are not exactly the safest element. More than 9 out of 10 crashes involve driver error. Of course, all drivers are different. They vary tremendously in terms of skill, knowledge, judgment, and driving habits. As a result, some are very safe, and others are everything but safe. Many of the everything but are new drivers. Newly licensed 16-year-olds. How do they compare with the average driver? For every mile they drive, they are 10 times more likely than an adult driver to have a crash. Even compared to 18-year-olds, they're twice as likely to experience a crash. Why is this? Are new drivers maniacs? Daredevils? No, but young drivers tend to drive differently compared to experienced drivers. They tend to drive too fast and pay less attention to driving. Plus, their visual searching and space management skills are not as developed as experienced drivers. And because of their inexperience, young drivers make more mistakes behind the wheel, like entering a curve a little too fast and going into a skid, or failing to see a pedestrian who steps into the street, or being distracted and not noticing that traffic has stopped.